friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the new Spellbinders card making kit of the month for the month of August 2020. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this month's kit is called Around the World, and you're going to get 10 cards, 10 envelopes, 9 pieces of cardstock, set of 9 dies, a paper pad, a stamp set, layered butterfly stickers, sequins, chipboard embellishments, die cut shapes, foam squares, and adhesive tape. So here we have some vibrant pink sequins. Just love them, love them, love them. And we'll take a look at this together in a little bit. These are the die cut shapes from the collection Around the World. Ooh, and these beautiful butterflies are layered butterfly stickers. Beautiful, beautiful. And we have some stamps. And we have some chipboard stickers. And here is a double-sided tape, and we have some 3D foam dots. And of course, we have our 10 cards and envelopes. Ooh, what's in here? The dies! Let's go ahead and take a look at the dies. Alrighty, so we are going to get all of these dies to make our cards with. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. And let's take a look at the paper pad. We have the Around the World paper pad, and ooh, you get all of these beautiful, bright, and fun colors. Ooh, I really, really like this. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, and you get 2 per design, and you have a total of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have a total of 20 designs, and you're also going to get some good quality cardstock, and you have this color and the mirror gold cardstock from Spellbinders, and you get all these cute colors, pastels and bright colors as well. And let me go ahead and show you the die cut shapes. Spellbinders provides you with a gazillion die cut shapes, and you're going to get 2 of the same, and these are so cute. And I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video because otherwise we'll be sitting here forever. So as you can see, you get a lot of bang for your buck with the Spellbinders card making kit of the month. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and click on that bell icon. That way YouTube will notify you the next time I upload a brand spanking new video. And be on the lookout for my cards that I'll be making with the new Spellbinders card making kit. I will see y'all once again real soon. Bye!